On this day, September 28, 1994, Bob Marley and the Wailers' legendary box set Songs of Freedom was certified double platinum by the IA. That means over 2 million copies sold, proof that a decade after his passing, Marley's music still moved the world. The collection isn't just a box set, it's a journey through his evolution. From ska beginnings, to roots reggae, to the anthems that changed music forever. Songs of Freedom stands as a testament that Marley's message of love, unity, and freedom will always live on. One love, every time.